Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add location in Instagram bio. Friends, if you want to add your location in your Instagram bio, then you need to open Google Map on your mobile phone. Now you need to select the location by long pressing on the place. Now after selecting the location, you need to press on the share button. Now from here you need to copy the location. Now after copying the location, you need to open Instagram app. Now in your Instagram app, you need to press on the profile icon. Now here you need to press on edit profile. Now press on add link. Now press on the plus icon. Now in URL paste the copied link. Now in title give the name and press on the tick icon. Now your location is added to your profile. Now here you can see it is showing the Google Map location. So friends, like this you can very easily add location in your Instagram bio. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.